Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to set up a Hostinger website builder payment gateway. Now first of all, go to this website hpl.hostinger.com, and once you're at the home page, from the left side you will see multiple options. So just choose the second option, which is websites. Inside the websites you will see a list of all the websites that you have along with the store. So I will attach a screenshot so you can have a look. So from here, just choose the website that you want and just click on manage store. You will see the two options, edit website and manage store. So just click on manage store directly, and once you click on manage store, so you will be directed into the store manager, and from the store manager scroll down and just go inside the settings and choose the payments. And once you click on payments, so you will see two options, one is PayPal for me right now, as you can see, and the second one is manual payment. So depending on the country that you have, as you can see, your company location matters. So right now it is Morocco, so you can change to any other country, either US or UK or Germany or Australia, that whatever your country is. Just choose your country or your company location, and after that you will see some payment methods that are available inside that country that you can attach or connect it inside it. So that is a simple and easy process of how you do it. And make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you find this video useful.